Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm your host Sabrinder and I hope you have an amazing day. It's time to explore new place and this time we are in Romania. Today I'll be showing this video Bucharest City. Bucharest is Romania's capital city and it's one of the biggest city in Romania. This Bucharest city tour, it's also one of the beautiful tour. I hope you like it. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you get notifications for all my upcoming videos. Please share my videos and my channel with everyone. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much and enjoy. See you next time. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice weekend. Stay healthy, stay blessed. See you guys. Bye. Love you all. Bye. Sorry. So guys, right now we are here in Bucharest and today we are traveling with the scooter. It's first time I want to try. It should be also very interesting and I'm very excited. She loves this, but unfortunately she cannot drive. Okay guys, see you.
Chalo.
It's very amazing.
No.
It's amazing, really amazing. Hi guys, right now we are in old downtown in Bucharest. Hi guys, right now we are in old downtown in Bucharest. As you can see, it's a beautiful city and at the same time it's very old, historical. We love it and we enjoying here lots of. I hope you are also enjoying. Thank you. Everything is closed today.
Not
Because of Christmas, everything is closed. Unfortunately.
We will walk a little bit, then we will go back. It's a little bit cold. Are you feeling cold?
Yes.
Yes.
I really want to go back by the hotel again.
Yes,
Yeah,
we will.
They're so warm.
We will, little. Okay.
So guys, right now we are in small bakery in Romanian and we are taking our sweetness. The kids want to have traditional Romanian sweets. Let's try this one. We take two chocolate. We take two chocolate and few of them. It looks amazing. Let's try. It's good. It's good. You wanna say something?
It's tasty.
It's delicious.
It's yummy.
Yeah, it's yummy.
Try your one. It's also good. Actually, the same taste.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's same.
Same pastry.
Same pastry, yes. Yummy.
Yeah, it's same.
If you come here, you can visit this place also.
It's delicious.
Name of this place. They have also lots of certificates. What is the name of this shop? Name? Your shop? Georgie. It's Georgie. It's near biggest mall here outside. You can visit this place. Small area, but it's delicious. People are very friendly. Thank you. So guys, the old town is very old, as you can see. But we're enjoying here the atmosphere. It's beautiful, awesome. You should also come here and enjoy it. Thank you.
Bye. Bye, guys. Bye.
Hi guys. And right now we came here one Romanian restaurant to have traditional Romanian food. Name of this restaurant is Taverna Sârbului, something like that. But I will put also the in description address of this restaurant you can have when you will be here. This food is good. You wanna say something?
Yes, it's traditional Romanian restaurant.
Romanian Serbian restaurant.
Yes.
Both.
Food is looking delicious. Just soup. Let's see. Let's taste.
You wanna say something? No? Okay guys, thank you. We are enjoying our meal now. I will report you later. Thank you. So guys, right now we are taking Bucharest City tour. It's actually very cold right now, and we cannot walk with the jacket properly. Actually, what I miss personally, I thought that the Romania is old. According to my experience right now, the Romania is also developing very fast. Here are lots of restaurants, bars, and the people are very modern now, not like what it was in my mind that they are very backwards. It is not. For this thing, I am very surprised. As you can see from here, I will show you. Look at this mall. It's all modern. Building is not so modern, but it looks awesome. And this is a city ring actually. And here you can see lots of restaurants, and surprisingly, Romania, Bucharest is also very beautiful. Okay guys, see you.